Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on packing up my Be-Lite in the Olive Rose. I'm sorry if this camera is going to be shaking, but I'm having to film somewhere different today and I'm using something different to hold the camera. I have all 5 of my kids home, it's summer, and this is actually now my 9th attempt at trying to film this video because the kids keep coming in and they want something. I think I've got them all settled down doing something and then kind of it's chaos again, so hopefully I can get through it this time. So I recently got the Olive Rose Be-Lite from the BST, and I actually really love Olive Rose. I really do. I have the Be-Packed, and the fabric on it is a lot stiffer than I thought it would be on the Be-Lite, which I really like. It's not overly floppy, it's quite stiff, so yeah, I really do like it. So I'm going to go ahead and pack this up with some other rose gold stuff here. So in the large set piece right here in Sakura Swirl, I have that filled with just a bunch of dry snacks for the kids. We're kind of pretty busy out and about doing all kinds of stuff, so I like to have a good amount of snacks with me just in case. I then am going to put the medium set piece in the Sakura Swirl, and this just has a sunscreen stick, it has bug spray and a sunscreen lotion in there. I'm going to go ahead and put that right into here as well, standing up. I do prefer using everything in pouches with the Be-Lite just because everything gets lost in here. You've heard me say it before that it's not my favourite bag to use, but I've kind of got a handle on it now with putting everything in pouches. I'm also going to be using the Whimsical Watercolour medium set piece, and that just has a change clothes for one of my kids. And there's some like little trash sacks down there too, so I'm going to just pop that right into there as well. And then I do have the Y pouch in the donut and ice cream that I'm going to just slide into there. In this back zipper pocket here, I'm actually going to put the Sakura Swirl small set piece, and this just has charger stuff for my phone. I'm going to put that there just because it's not something I use that often, but I like to have with me in case of emergencies. I have the Whimsical Watercolour custom medikit in there, and yeah, this is pretty much the same. I don't really switch out from summer to winter. It's usually the same stuff in there, so I'm just going to slip that down into the back there as well. And then I have a coin purse in Sakura Swirl with coins and cash in, and I'm actually going to put that into this front pocket there because that's something that I would grab for. And then I have my Key West Be Rich that I got off the BST that I really love. I actually really love this print. I don't have a rose gold wallet because I think it only comes in the Be Spendy in the Olive Rose, and I'm not a Be Spendy person, so I really wish they would come out with a Be Rich in the rose gold collection. But I'm going to put that right into the front there, fits perfectly into that pocket. And then last of all, I just have a Whimsical Watercolour small set piece with some tissues and some mummy stuff, and I'm just going to put that down into the bag here somewhere as well. So everything's in pouches, so it is pretty organised in there, and I have room on top to put some other stuff as well. So yeah, I don't have any drinks in there because it's really hot here right now, so whatever drinks I take I'm going to have to put in some type of cooler, whether it be a fuel cell or a different cooler bag, depending on the size of drinks that I want to take with me. So yeah, there is my Olive Rose Be-Lite. I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned I have the little rings on the side here as well that I added. My friend sent me them, which was really nice of her. So I can actually put a seatbelt strap or a messenger strap on here if I want to, or it's great to hang a little hand sanitizer too. So anyway, that's my video, and thanks for watching.